Hey guys, this is No One Asked. So, as requested by a commenter in the previous video that I uploaded about DeepSeek, I'm going to show you live like how it works, like how does it handle stuff. So, basically, we're at their landing page. We're just going to simply click Start Now. And let me show you a sample. So, given that I'm in YouTube, let's just say I want to start a video episode or an episode wherein I'm gonna be traveling to a certain place. Now, I can I don't have don't have any idea on how I should do this to make it as engaging and as viewable as possible in YouTube. So I just want to show you how this process actually happens. So as you can see right here, the AI is thinking. As you can see, it's thinking as they actually put it in there. And this one, when this one is already out, like thought for 8 seconds, it means it's already done generating your answers. Now you have an answer right here. Let's see. So start with a strong hook. First 10 seconds, use stunning drone shot, a quick montage of highlights or a bold statement like I traveled to blah blah blah. Okay. So as you can see, it has all the steps. So let's just be realistic here. Chat GPT could do this, right? So let's move on to other samples. Like for example, what if I'm a computer programmer? Can you write me the full code for um let's just say for a database that I can use on my website. Let's see. Node.js. It even knows Node.js with Express and SQL and such. See, it's really thinking. It really has some good background. So just wait and just let's just wait for this one to finish. I'm not a computer programmer in any way. All right, guys. So I don't actually know a lot of stuff. Like I just know a bit of this, and as you can see, it even knows how to run it. So it's a complete answer. And let's revisit this process, the thinking process. As you can see, it has a difference. A while ago we had a thought for 8 seconds, and now it's thought for 11 seconds. So it already it already gives you this chain of thought, like how it came up with the answer. So it started with the users wants a full code for database that they can use on their website. Let me think about how to approach this. So first, it figured out what exactly we needed, and a database on a website typically involves both the back end and front end. They might not be aware of the different components involved, so I should break it down. It's really smart. Then on the last one, in summary, the answer should provide a simple but functional example, clear instructions covering backend setup, database interaction, API routes, front end interface, security considerations, and deployment notes, highlighting that this is a basic example and pointing out areas for improvement would help the user understand the next steps. So as you can see, it's really smart, right? Like I'm quite shocked about this one. And you know what? Mm, let me just give you something that would differentiate it from Chat GPT. So let me just write you up something here. So let's see. Okay. Let's see if there's something that could actually that could actually give you okay. So for example, um let's try to ask DeepSeek if it can do financial analysis. All right, so let's try to do this. Let's go to a new chat. So let's change the date in here, 2025. All right, so let's send it. Let's see. Because you can see it's still thinking. Still thinking. It's really thinking deep on how to give me a proper answer. As you can see, it also even explores alternatives. It already has a lot of alternatives, and I guess this is one of the biggest reasons, or yeah, one of the biggest reasons or the biggest factors that makes it a deal breaker with ChatGPT. All right, as you can see, it gave me an answer. So assumptions for demonstration, then there, that's a very good answer. Like I actually want to try to send it a sample file, but I think that would be uh that would be something to test also. Okay, let me let me try here. Okay, so guys, just before we are going towards the end of this video, just before we end, I want to tell you something that about this DeepSeek R1. So basically DeepSeek R1 is a reasoning model. All right? So for those of you who doesn't know what's that, reasoning models are a type of in artificial intelligence that is modeled to perform logical reasoning tasks. So these models can understand, interpret, and generate human-like reasoning to resolve problems, answer questions, or make decisions. They are often built using advanced machine learning techniques such as deep learning and can be trained on large data sets to improve their reasoning capabilities. So, there is really a lot of potential behind this AI, and the good thing here is it really shows you how it came up with that answer. I guess that's really really valuable because in ChatGPT that doesn't happen. I mean, you don't even know how ChatGPT came up with its answer for you, right? So, um okay, let's ask it something to the effect like, can you okay, how would you go around looking for bugs and discrepancies in a Python code? Let's see how it answers this one. As you can see, it's like trying to test all possibilities, which is this is the feature that I absolutely like. Let's see how it answers this one. So this is the chain of thought, guys. So as you can see, it thought for 22 seconds, already gave me an answer. So it would do static analysis, code review, dynamic testing, exception handling, edge cases and corner cases, version control and history, profiling and performance, dependencies and environment, common Python pitfalls, documentation and logging, reproduction. So example workflow, run Flake 8, write unit test. See, it's complete. So I cannot really imagine how big the potential of this AI is gonna bring to our world and into the industry. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is No One Asked. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Peace out.